Namaskar, I am Shriyanka and you are watching Mobile News 24/7. Let's have a glance on the top stories of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi likely to hold meeting with Chief Ministers on COVID-19 situation on January 13. Odisha Panchayat polls to be held in 5 phases from 16th February. Over 4,400 people challaned in Delhi for not wearing masks. Nearly 1,000 police personnel test positive. Odisha Higher Education Department hikes maternity leave period. Government to own 36% share in Vodafone Idea. Legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar admitted in ICU, tests positive for COVID-19. Versatile Odia actor Mihir Das passes away, fans shattered, says it's too soon. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to hold a meeting with Chief Ministers over the COVID-19 situation on Thursday as the number of virus infections witnesses a surge due to its Omicron variant. Reviewing the COVID situation at a high-level meeting on Sunday, Modi had called for ensuring adequate health infrastructure at the district level and accelerating the vaccination drive for adolescents in mission mode. The Odisha State Election Commissioner Aditya Prasad Padhi announced that polls will be held in 5 phases in Odisha on 16th, 18th, 20th, 22nd and 24th February. The counting of votes will be held centrally at the block level. Voting will be held from morning 7 am to 1 pm. The counting of votes will be held in 3 phases on 26th, 27th and 28th February. Amid strict adherence to COVID-19, only door-to-door and virtual campaigning has been allowed. No assembly or gatherings or rallies will be allowed. Amid rise in COVID-19 infections, the Delhi government has taken action against 4,434 people on Monday for not wearing masks in public or workplaces, according to the official data. The data stated that 4,434 people were challaned for violation of masks, 107 for not maintaining social distancing, 17 people for spitting in public places, and 2 for consumption of liquor, pan, gutka, tobacco, etc. in public places in its 11 districts. Meanwhile, around 1,000 Delhi police personnel have tested positive for COVID-19 since January 1. The Odisha government has extended the maternity leave benefit for women employees from 3 months to 6 months. The benefit shall be extended for all eligible women employees of aided colleges under Higher Education Department. After its board authorized the conversion of dues into equity, Vodafone Idea Limited announced that the Indian government would hold nearly 36% of the country's third largest wireless phone operator. In a stock exchange filing, the unprofitable cell phone provider said that this would dilute all current shareholders, including the founders. According to the statement, Vodafone Group will own roughly 28.5% of the company, while Aditya Birla Group will own about 17.8%. Legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar was admitted to a hospital on January 11 after having tested positive for COVID-19. The 92-year-old singer is in the ICU ward at the Bridge Candy Hospital and her symptoms are mild, her niece Rachna informed. Versatile Odia film actor Mihir Das died on Tuesday. He passed away while undergoing treatment at a hospital. Veteran Odia actor Mihir Das was hospitalized after suffering a mild heart attack, sources in medical establishment said. The actor, a chronic renal patient who had been undergoing dialysis for the last few years, was on ventilator support in hospital in Cuttack.